All right, so this is the challenge lock from Unkwntech. I got this about a month ago. I've been very busy, so I haven't really had time for lock picking, but we'll give this a go. I've actually picked this a couple times before. It's quite interesting. It's fairly floppy, but this is the first lock that I've needed to go at it from in a counterclockwise. I don't know if it's required for this one, but it definitely worked. The second I tried it, it worked, and it works fairly reliably. So, all right, so that's pin 1. Got a good deep fall set on that. Pin 2 set. Pin 3 and a little bit of a counter rotation on that. Oh, I think that set. Pin 4 I think is set. And pin 5. No. No, that didn't work. Okay, let's try this again. Pin 1. Alright, pin 2. Yeah. Pin 3. Grinding on that. Clicks. Yeah, got count. There we go. Pin 4. Well, I don't know. Pin 5. Oh, there we go. So there you go. It's actually a lot trickier than I made it look. Pin 4 was the interesting one on this. I did it 3 times. This is the 4th time I picked it. And pin 4 doesn't, it feels like you have counter rotation on it. And so you want to pick it, but if you don't, then it goes fine. So here's the key. You see the bitting. Show that it works. That's very nice done. Oh, I did really enjoy picking this. That pin 4 is the trick on that one. Let's keep this in frame here. Get that out of the way. Angle this down a bit. Here we go. Okay. So what do we need here? Let's probably push on off of these. Come on. Like everyone always says, getting these off is sometimes the hardest part of it. There we go. Ooh. Put that back. Now this doesn't even want to go in. What the deuce? What's going on? Like it won't even go in. All I did was pop off that pin. There we go. All right. Do I need a follower on that? You know, if there's a T-pin in there, it's going to get stuck in that. So, might as well be safe than sorry and screw it up. Yeah, that'll fit. Jamming up on something there. The follower didn't want to come through its right, that's really tight. I'm just gonna leave that alone for a second. Make sure it stays in frame here. Okay. All right. So, yeah, there's definitely a T-pin in there. So I will, 5. I'm going to take these all out and then I will showcase them. Looks like 5 is a spool, 4 is standard. Let's take this. Oh, 2 wanted to slip out there. T-pin. And then number 1 is a standard. Okay, and I need... Alright, let's see what's going on in here. Might have this spring out at me because of what's going on in there. It's just a really tight fit. Let's just try and slide. Yeah, there's one that popped out. Okay. Probably should have used a smaller plug follower, but there's one that came out there. Come on. So that's just a standard, and that is in pin in 1. Get the spring out. Yeah, that's jammed in there. Good. I got it. There we go. Nope. 2 popped out. Let me not screw this up. So this was in 3. Oh, that looks nice. This was in 2. Again, really nice work. Oh, I love these pins. No springs came out. So I'll get the spring in 2 first. Yeah, they're different springs, so it's a good thing I did that. Spring 3. Come on, there we go. And then pin 4. Looks like a nice spool. Well, that's a really nice... I really love these pins. These are great workmanship. These are really nice. Come on, there's that spring. And pin 5. I just snapped out. Let's just dump that out. That's a T-pin. So, let's have a look here. So, we got... So it looks like pin 1 is nothing. Chamber 2 is threaded, 3 is threaded, 4 is normal, and 5 is threaded. Yeah, so 1... Yeah, it's just 2, 3 and 5 are threaded. Looks like something was done in 2. Maybe some undercutting. And in here we got really nice threading on 2, 3, and 5. 1 and 4 are clean. And the pins. So here's the key. And I'll just take this out of this stupid little contraption. that. Get a good look at these pins, if I can focus. So, I think that was that way. That would make more sense. But this one on 2 is just really nice. You got these really nicely done, cat hair all over the place. Nicely done deep serrations / spools, and then this. Oh, this is just nice. Let me try and pull that up so you can see it. If it'll focus. Sorry, I'm holding my phone here. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. Maybe there. Well, that is just nice workmanship right there. And that's in 3. Not quite as nice workmanship, but definitely there's a lot of ridges and stuff. And it's easy to push with this T-pin. It's so easy to push a little bit farther up and get it caught in there. And you can see a little ridge right on the edge of that T-pin. It'll allow a false set, and then it would catch on that. That did happen a couple times where I'd get it really super deep false set and couldn't get anywhere with it. This one again, really nice work, but this is a super long pin, so I don't know that this one played in, but it felt like it. If you push on this, it'd feel like a spool. So if you were coming from the front and tried to attack it, it would trick you up. And this one, I'll just pick kind of normally. That's a T-pin that's not focusing on it. The springs, we got varying. The spring on 1 is different. But yeah, no, really nicely done. I really appreciated the chance to pick this. It was super fun. And I will get that back in the mail to the owner. And thanks. Bye.